Hey everyone, welcome to DataMillennials. I'm Atul, and in this video we are going to discuss about the Python ranges data type. So Python ranges is an inbuilt function in Python which returns a sequence of numbers starting from 0 and increments to 1 until it reaches a specific number. So we can use range function with for loop or with while loop to generate a sequence of number based on our requirement. And if we talk about the syntax of this function, of this range function, then it is range. Then you have to give a starting number, you have to give stop at which you want to stop, and you have to give the step. So start over here is an integer number to specify the starting position, and by default it will be 0. Then we have stop. This stop is an integer number to specify the last position, and this stop argument is mandatory. Okay. Then we have a step. So a step is the integer number to specify the increment, and this is an optional argument. So whenever we have to create a sequence of number starting from a specific number till ends at a specific number, then we can use this range function in Python. So let's take a simple example saying that we have to create number from 0 till 10. Okay, in that case how we can do that? Either you can create a list and then you can put 1 2 3 4 5 6 till 10, or what you can do is that you can simply use this range function. So over here I'm just going to create a simple program to show you how you can use this range function. So let's create a for loop. Within this for loop I'm giving I in range. Within this range I'm going to give the last number, which is 11. For us, we want to generate the sequence from 0 till 10. As we want 10 in our output, that's why we have to give 11 over here. Okay, now if I print this, print value of I is, and then if I give I and let's run this cell, you can see that the value of I is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. The moment it identify that the value of I is 11, it stops the loop. Okay, now let's create a program to print the number starting from 1 instead of 0. Okay, so over here you can see that we have 0, right? So instead of 0, if we want to start from 1, in that case what we can do, we can simply use for loop for I in range 1 till 11. Okay, so this is your start and this is your end or stop. Okay, print value of I is comma I. So now the value of I starts with 1. By default it started with 0 when we have not given the start. So over here you can see it starts from 1 and it goes till 10. Now again let's create a program to print the number starting from 1 till 25, but with the increment of 2. Okay, so you want 1, then 3, then 5, then 7. In this way you are incrementing it by 2. So in that case I'm going to give for I in range 1 till 25, and you have to step it by 2 and then print value of I is comma I. Okay, there is an error, spelling error, range. Okay, now as I said, the value will start from 1, then 3, 5, 7, 9, and it keeps on going till 25. Okay, as 25 is the last point, that's why 25 was not displayed. The for loop stopped. Okay, now if I put over here 26, you will see that you have 25. So this 1 is the starting point, this 26 is the last position, and this 2 is the specific increment that you want in your range. So just to recap, that range is an inbuilt function in Python which returns the sequence of number starting from the 0 by default, and if you want to create a sequence based on your number. Let's say if you want to start it from 5, or if you want to start from 10, you can put the start value, then you can put the stop value and the step value. And this range function will always work with for loop and while loop to generate the sequence of number. Happy learning and see you in the next video.